This is the third lesson of Super Fast, Super Easy English series for Idiots YouTube book. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita and today we are going to learn how to use can in English. First of all, we use can to talk about our abilities. We say, I can speak English. She can dance salsa. I can't sing. My parents can't stand cold weather. I can't stay up late. We also use can to make a friendly request. Can you help me? Can you open this jar for me? Can you pass me the salt shaker? Can you come with me, please? Also use can to ask for permission. Can I go out? Can I use your phone, please? Can I smoke here? Can I use the bathroom? Sometimes we can use can to talk about possibilities. For example, we say, oh, look at the clouds. It can rain. And we can replace it with may. It may rain. They have the same meanings. Hey, watch out! It can be dangerous. It is possible that it is dangerous. I cannot trust her. It is not possible for me to trust her. We can also use can to talk about the verbs that are related to thinking, like feel, see, hear, taste, and smell. For example, we say, here they are. I can see their car. I can smell something burning. You can also use can to show your surprise and anger. You can't be serious. How can you be so stupid? Can also mean sometimes. It can be cold at night. Sometimes it is cold at night. She can be pretty annoying. Sometimes she is pretty annoying. This is all about can, and if you like to learn super fast, super easy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this lesson with someone you think they might want to learn English. See you in the next lesson.